for most personal injury cases, you're going to have 2 years to resolve your case prior to having to file a lawsuit. And that's because negligence, a very common claim in personal injury cases, has a statute of limitation of 2 years. Now, for those who don't know what a statute of limitation is, that is the absolute last day you have to file a lawsuit or to have your claim resolved. For instance, if you were in an accident on March 1st, 2023, you would have until March 1st, 2025 to either have that case resolved or have a lawsuit filed in the courts. That is the most important deadline to remember when you're dealing with a personal injury case. Thus, since you only have 2 years, many people think that it's a good idea to get this case resolved as quickly as possible. And that takes us into our last step in the pre-litigation phase, the negotiations phase. These negotiations is where your attorney and you negotiate with the at-fault people for proper and adequate compensation. Now, if you go as quickly as possible, I'm sure you can get a quick settlement real early, multiple days after the incident, but it wouldn't adequately compensate you for your full damages, and here's why. If we go back to your treatment, it's going to take time to get all the treatment prescribed by your medical professionals. And also it's going to take time to come to a full understanding of the diagnosis and the full extent of the damage you may have received from a slip and fall, a trip and fall, a car accident, whatever it may be. And you just have to let it play out. Because unfortunately, if you try to sell it early, you're playing right into the hands of the insurance company. You're settling before you even know what your full compensation can possibly be. And that's why I say, do we want to settle cases quick? Well, we want to settle as quick as possible, but not to the extent it shortchanges you, because then you're just playing right into the insurance company's hands. Now, if that takes all the way up to the 2 years, up to that statute of limitations, so be it. Take that time, because you're owed that money. And you don't want to do anything to shortchange yourself. And you need a skilled negotiator to make sure you aren't getting shortchanged. And so call me at Las Vegas Personal Injury Attorneys, and we'll discuss a negotiation plan for you.